that with WordPress and Infinity Free. First, sign up for Infinity Free. I already have an account here, so I just logged in now. You can create up to 3 websites here. Let's now create an account for the website. Select the Infinity Free plan. It says $0 forever. There's a limit on this plan, but this is enough for us to create our own website. We will now set up our subdomain. Add the name you want to use as a subdomain. Then select the domain extension for your website. You have lots of options in the drop-down. Check the availability of your subdomain to see if it already exists. On email consent, select I approve. Then, click Create Account button. We're now done with our subdomain and hosting. It may take up to 72 hours to see our website. But in my experience, it can be up in less than an hour. Here, I open the control panel in New tab. Then click Finish. Let's wait for it while setting your account. The hosting account is now completely set up. But this doesn't mean that our website is now accessible. On the important notice, just click I approve. This may take some time to load. While we're waiting for our website, let's add an SSL certificate to our domain. It is important to have this for added security. Click on Manage button. Let's now add SSL certificate here. Now, let's select our SSL provider. I usually select 0SSL here, but you can try the others too. Click Create Order. Just follow the next steps. Now, click the Setup CNAME records. This will take up a few minutes. Let's just wait until it's done. Refresh the page from time to time to check if it is done. While waiting for this, let's set up our WordPress website. On our cPanel, look for Softaculous Apps Installer. Then open it. We can now see the WordPress here and other CMS. On WordPress, let's click Install. Change the chosen protocol to HTTPS. Click Quick Install button. Set username, password, and email for your WordPress admin account. Then click Install. Continue to check the SSL certificate and your website if it is done. You can leave it now and get back to it later to check. Now that the CNAME is already set up. Next, click on Request Certificate. Let's wait for it to finish. Here are the details on our SSL certificate. It is important to remember your SSL expiration date as we have to renew it before it expires. After that, click Install SSL certificate automatically. This will take up a few minutes. Let's just wait until it's done. Refresh the page from time to time to check if it is done. To monitor our website's DNS propagation, just type this in the search bar. Copy your website's domain and paste it on this website.
Then click Search. The IP will appear next to the locations. Check this IP if it is the same as the one in your account details. Now that it is the same, let's check the website and the SSL certificate again. Our website is up now. SSL is also installed. We can now start building our website. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Let me know if you have questions.